Okay. So you've heard me talk about how this radio is Part 95 compliant, Part 97 compliant, GMRS, amateur radio. Well, what if you don't care about any of that? What if you have this radio to listen in to other people and talk with your family in an off-grid situation because you don't actually trust the government and you're worried that communications are going to collapse, kind of like the AT&T, but a whole lot bigger? Well, then don't worry, this radio is still for you. Just like how GMRS and amateur radio had different variations on this radio, well, so does the unlock system variant. By holding the pound key in the PTT and turning on the radio, you'll see very clearly initial unlock system, the data will be erased. So now, this radio not only will talk on amateur radio and GMRS radio, maybe throw a little bit of MERS in there, or maybe your family's secret channel that's not listed on any publicly available service so that they'll have no idea what you're actually talking on until you actually give them what you're talking on. I guess I should probably go ahead and change that. And yes, don't worry, you can still Bluetooth program it just like the GMRS and amateur radio versions. But no, it does not need internet to work. You can just simply use this off-grid. Granted, you need your phone to be charged, but you also can hand program the entire radio right here. So if you're looking for a radio that's going to be able to connect with all of your other bull crap, well, the TID radio TDH8 still has you covered.